Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator is an impressive piece of equipment that combines efficiency and portability, making it an ideal choice for camping, tailgating, or emergency home backup. Weighing in at just 46 pounds, this generator is incredibly lightweight, allowing for easy transport without sacrificing power or performance. One of the standout features of this generator is its quiet operation. With a noise level as low as 58 decibels, it operates almost silently, which is a significant advantage for outdoor activities where noise can be disruptive. This level of quietness is comparable to a normal conversation, making it perfect for family outings or gatherings where peace is desired. The generator packs 1,500 watts of peak power and 1,200 watts of running power, which is sufficient for powering small appliances, lights, and devices. It includes two 120V outlets, which can be used simultaneously, enhancing its versatility. Whether you need to power a refrigerator, a TV, or charge your devices, the A-iPower generator can handle it with ease. Another noteworthy aspect is its runtime. The generator can run for up to 7 hours on a quarter load, thanks to its efficient fuel consumption. This means less frequent refueling, allowing for longer runs during your camping trips or power outages. The eco-friendly mode further enhances fuel efficiency while reducing noise, making it an environmentally conscious choice. The A-iPower generator is also built with user-friendly features. It comes equipped with a simple control panel, making it easy for anyone to operate. The lightweight design, combined with a built-in handle, makes it a breeze to carry around. While it caters primarily to light-duty tasks, it's essential to remember that this generator may not suffice for heavy-duty equipment. However, for its intended purpose, the A-iPower 1500-watt portable quiet inverter generator excels, making it a reliable and convenient power source for various situations. Overall, it's a fantastic, user-friendly option for those in need of portable power.